Hi, I'm Florence, and today we're going to look at reading, writing and comparing decimal numbers with up to 3 decimal places. Now, in a previous video, we've looked at tenths and hundredths and explored how you can show children what that place value looks like. But in order to compare numbers with up to 3 decimal places, they're also going to need to have an understanding of thousandths. The thousandths sit immediately to the right of the hundredths column, and so we know that there are 10 thousandths in a hundredth. If we look at a pictorial representation of that, we can see that our 10 thousandths make up 1/100th. So let's have a look at how we would write one of these decimal numbers. Here I have 0.352, and I'm going to use my place value chart to help me look at the place value of each of those digits. I have no ones. I have 3 tenths, 5 hundredths, and 2 thousandths. Now, a common misconception when pupils are asked to compare decimal numbers is to assume that when a decimal number has more digits, it's going to be larger. But that's not always the case. So again, using our place value chart is a really good way to address this misconception. Let's compare 0.352 with 0.37. When using the place value chart with pupils, just as you would with a whole number, encourage them to start at the place value column with the largest value and work their way along, comparing the value of the digits. Both these numbers have no ones, so we need to move to the next column. They both have 3 tenths, so again, we're going to need to look at the next column along. We can see here that this decimal has 5 hundredths, whereas this one has 7 hundredths. So ask pupils, which is bigger, 5 hundredths or 7 hundredths? And they can even use base 10 perhaps to show you that 7 hundredths is bigger, so 0.37 is the larger decimal. So there you go. Hopefully that gives you an idea of how you can help address some misconceptions and support pupils when comparing decimals with up to 3 decimal places.